So you have a good device that you use every day, a phone or a tablet or even a laptop, and you're looking for some good accessories for that device. We're gonna upload a couple of videos talking about some good accessories, wireless earphones, chargers, everything of the sort. You're watching the Lazy Reviewers, and this is a short review of the fast FBT-604 stereo Sprot wireless earphones. Okay, so the packaging is pretty basic. It has a plastic cover on the front which you just take off, and on the outside actually it does have a small carrying thingy on the top. Inside we have the earphones themselves, which are secured in this not so secure plastic wrap, this thing plastic stuff. And we have some extra ear tips for better cushioning inside your ear. We have a hook design as well as an in-ear design, so we'll take a look at those in a second. And underneath this thing we have our user manual and a charging cable. I don't know what this is. Oh, it is for the wire and for some wire management while you're using the earphones. The charging cable is an old micro USB. I guess it shouldn't be a problem for this small pair of earphones. So let's see if they turn on, and if not, let's charge them. So they have a small button in the middle along with a volume button on either side of that button. It's not turning on, so let's put it up for charging and then we'll try turning it on again. Okay, so the earphones did indeed turn on, and we have them paired with my Poco F3. I have put on these hook-shaped ear tips. They are not that comfortable, and without them the earphones are actually very sharp around the edges, so they can actually hurt your ear. Other than that, the design is really bulky on these earphones. The back design is really weird. At least it's comfortable for the fingers but not for the ear. Other than that, the charging port has its own little compartment right here on the module with the buttons on it. The wire quality is really flimsy, it's really thin, and it's not good. So now let's just put them on and see what they sound like. Okay, so the pairing method was really simple. You just hold the power button on for 5 seconds and the Bluetooth turns on and it goes right into pairing mode. From there you can see these earphones as FBT-604 in your mobile phone, and you just pair them and then they just work instantly. So let's listen to some music and then we'll talk about how they actually sound like. Okay, so these earphones do not sound great. Everything except the bass is all jumbled together. There's no separation of any of the instruments, and the bass itself is pretty good. I don't know what, maybe it's these drivers on the back that are like for the bass. Other than that, the rest of the sound is trash. Yeah, these earphones cost a lot, and for this price you can actually get some decent sounding earphones. These particular earphones come in at anywhere between 2500 and 3500 rupees, so depending on where you buy you might get a good deal on them, but even then I would not recommend these for anyone looking to enjoy their music. So don't buy them, no, just don't buy them. These earphones do not have any kind of special features. They have no noise cancellation, no noise. They didn't even have good noise isolation, even with these silicone tips. Even with these extra hooked kind of tips, they're not that comfy in your earphones, and they will fall out, so you wouldn't use them while working out even. That's about it about these earphones. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more to the point unboxings, reviews, and much more.